Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 8th of January 2024, and the week will end on 12th of January 2024 on Friday. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Right here it's so cold and that's why you are seeing me having multiple jackets, I should say. Anyways, what's up at your end? I hope everything is must be going on very nicely. Okay, this week I'm going to cover different currency pairs, just like I'm keep discussing these pairs every week. So right here, first of all, dollar index I want to see very quickly. And last weekly analysis, if you have seen the video, what was the prediction for the last week? Here we have the weekly time frame right here, and the daily is right here. So we have seen a rejection, 1 2 3 4, and this is the fifth. So right here last week the market was, and since then it went back up. It is no doubt rejected by 102.844 and 102.496, which was definitely expected. So this much it went up, which is very nice and fantastic. I'm not going to tease around with this whole analysis, but definitely those of you who are watching me for the first time, I will like to explain this for newcomers right here. So this whole story started all the way on this double top up there, daily time frame double top, and since then we are like observing these break of structures and a retest, then break of structure, even the break of structure, retest, break of structure, and now going back up. So it means this resistance level market is currently trading at this price zone 102. And before that I want to give you a recall, because that is also very much important for us, and that is the level of 105.617 and 102.844. So on the dollar index I want to show you something, and I want to show you the story, that this whole story is revolving around or moving around different price zones. And I also want to tell you that this whole story started all the way on 13th July 2023. So I should say last year. So it's been like 7 months, we can say. This is January 2024. Now market definitely moved up there 102, and if I count the number of pips from right here, just dollar index gave us 160 pips. But obviously 160 pips, that was for the weekly traders. Now I'm looking further. I will like to extend this a little bit to see which level it is. Definitely this whole tiny story I will be showing you that on the H4 as well, because I have to cover all of the currency pairs. That's why I'm speaking a bit in a fast pace, because usually you guys then tell me that I make you bored, but I want to go with a slow pace because I want to let you understand each and every step, each and every level, so that you can trade and you can definitely make good profits. So this is now a rejection. This is a trend line we had, and we obviously took some intraday trades right here. But does that mean that the market is going to go back up till 105,000 and 105.617? Because that story is till now so far still pending. And let's see in the upcoming week. Let me also show you this weekly time frame, and let me zoom in, so it will make the whole image very nicely and clear to us. No doubt there is a Fibonacci correction up there 105, and if we see the weekly candle is very strong right here. So 104,500 can be a very fantastic sell area right here, and those who are looking for buy opportunities, well, the buy opportunity was from 101.051 last week. Those of you who took it, I congratulate you, and this is the place where we need to leave those structure, because if the market continue back down, definitely it will be trying to make and create this double bottom sort of pattern, and then we will be deciding whether we want to continue pushing long, or whether we need a retest of this whole support. So currently the level of 105 and 99 is very much important for us. 105 obviously for the take profits and new fresh opportunities. 102 is a decision point because any break above this a retest and the market is definitely continuing back up, which will be decided in the upcoming week. Moving on to the daily time frame, and I want to show you something right here that is most important to us. Well, on the daily, obviously this candle closed indecision and it rejected from a very key level. And why I'm focusing on this 102 level, because if the market start to come back down from right here, it will be trying to complete this ABCD pattern, and that will be making this whole story complete. So this is one possibility with us, and definitely those of you who understand my strategy will be able to trade these whole patterns, either a sell towards 99.44 or a buy towards 104 point sorry, a sell from 104 500. And these buys definitely we are going to close. So the TP areas same levels, but for some these are re-entry places, for some these are take profit zones, and obviously for some they are just neutral and they are waiting whether they should take buys or sells near this 102.844. So this is the dollar index. Please give me your feedback if you have any confusions, and if you don't understand what I'm lacking, or if there is you think there is some knowledge that is not delivered rightly to you. So you can just write a comment and down below in the comment section, and I will reach back to you. Here definitely is my WhatsApp number, and if you wish you can contact me. And obviously I like a good feedback, so for feedback you can use this number as well. Okay, moving on to the gold US dollar, and I would like to see, like on this gold US dollar last week, what I have told you is that gold no doubt is showing 2243.153, 2195.408, but definitely it is stopped right here, and we have seen a strong weekly candle to the bottom side of the market, which means if you see, like the previous week the market closed a rejection. This week if you see, it is like it closed bigger than the previous candle. But what about this whole story the market has gained? So market is stuck, like the story right here is 1905 and 2243, 2195 on the gold US dollar, which definitely this move belongs to these people, the sellers. The level has not yet been broken. The resistance is, we can say, still valid. A tiny false break above on a weekly, so that's normal. Right here if you see a very big candle, and now in such situations what I have seen is that the market slowly and gradually try, let me draw it right here in front of you so that you can understand. Here if you see, this was the rejection area. 2195.40 is the completion area for the pattern. Market is no doubt from down below is bullish. Market went back up. Most probably it is going to come back down till this 2020 2030 level, and after that we are going partial positions right here, and retest, breakout retest, and the continuation towards 2195. This, these sellers may 2150, these sellers may not be able to do anything. So with that said, this whole pattern will be completed, but there is also suggested for a sell trade, but sell will be later, we will be deciding that. For now, if I show you this whole pattern, I have to study it. And these people all the way entered from right here, and they have created a tiny support right here where we have a Fibonacci number, and I will be showing you, this is a Fibonacci strategy. You can just understand at each Fibonacci level, every time the market come back down till Fibonacci number, they take it away from it. But you definitely need to understand some basic information right here. If you can see 61.8% retracement, then if you can see, so buy positions from here, and that is obviously the ABCD pattern completion. If you see A, that is the completion, that this is the 61.8% retracement, that is going to be the completion, retest, the continuation, and most probably is going to complete this W pattern. But as I have shown you on the weekly time frame, it is tricky because the previous candle closed very red, and that definitely will put this down for quite some time right here. But there will be in the upcoming week some levels which we need to consider. So by then, if you see, we have got a 618 retracement, and the market is going to continue back up right here. If you see, still this 618 we can say, and that is going to complete up there. And on these tiny time frames, 2020 is going to be the level which is going to be a decisive point for us. But if I consider long term, I think if in the upcoming week this trend line is broken to the bottom side of the market definitely is going to go down. So a breakout retest, this trade opportunity can be availed very nicely towards 1905. Now it's up to you, which time frame do you want to trade, and which pair do you want to trade. But these are the overall direction, and I hope, remember everyone, there are traders and I'm working with such traders as well, because how would I know that such traders do exist? There are traders, they execute a trade, and as soon as the trade is executed, the trader thinks it's going against us. So just like I was giving this sell opportunity, most of you I'm working with, most of you are thinking, no, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. And as I have told you, stop buying and focus on selling. And now see how much profit this level gave us. You can just imagine it. This one from right here, if you see, from this much it gave, then a buy, and then this a sell. So let's see what it gives us. Currently it is stuck in a range 2080, and just like I said in the previous videos, these buy trades we are holding, I think half of them I have closed, and decision is pending right here, is going down to 1905.068, from where it will be it will be a decision point for me. Moreover, if it breaks to the top side and a retest, then obviously huge profits to the top hand side, 2150. And what was that other level? Let me also communicate that to you, 2243, 2195.408, and that will be a fantastic trade opportunity. But try to trade very very safely and with proper stop losses, right? Moving on to another pair, and the other pair that I'm going to discuss this week is dollar CAD. I have some buys running in the group I have shared, and if you see this chart, this is a perfect example of my strategy on a weekly time frame. But if I show around on a 4-hour time frame, you will see, like, in a week this strategy will be giving you more than 20-25 trade opportunities on H4, including 10-12 instruments. So right here, if we see, market gave us a very nice break below, even it took one of my stop loss, but that is definitely a part of trading. So it hit the stop loss because this level was broken, and the stop loss was supposed to be hit, because what was the purpose of that stop loss is to protect me. So it protected me. We took some more buys right here, and this is currently still running. Some people closed it, some didn't close it, but this market started all the way right here. I want to just let you know about it. And this trend line, if we see, we clearly have got a break of structure right here. And if I show you the 618 retracement, that is coming right here. Since I'm a Fibonacci trader, so definitely I will be looking for fresh sell opportunities from 1.36122. So it's going up there, from where I will be taking sell opportunities. And for the take profits, definitely I will be discussing that some other time. By then, when the market will be going back up like this, obviously this will be previous resistance with us. So as the market hit the resistance level, intraday traders can for sure make 50 pips, like in 10-20 seconds, I should say. Real data depends on the real markets, obviously, but that's what I have assumed. And by then we will have like this trend line. That's what I'm expecting. Sorry for bad drawing. What I'm expecting is that this will become the high, and it will become like this. But moreover, if it drops, if it tried to create a double bottom right here, so right here, if you see, it already created one double bottom right here. Right here it created, if it creates this double bottom right here, it already created this double bottom right here. Remember one thing for learning curve, and that is, in the same price zone for long term, since this was a very huge rally, no doubt. Okay, so if another bottom is formed right here, it may not indicate a very huge rally, but that will be a pullback towards 1.36122, and obviously a break below retest, and the story will be something else, right? So if you want to understand this particular strategy, it is like a 3 months course, and definitely you can contact me and I will guide you further. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. I will like within 24 hours you will get a response. Okay, so again, moving on to this is CAD. Okay, it must be clear to us. Now why I'm holding like this place, no doubt right here, if you see, I'm clearly seeing that it's going back up there. This place may make some turbulence 1.35 triple zero, so this will be a very big threat zone with us that I think I should consider. I was about to ignore it, but there are some other traders who want to take sell trade. So 1.35 triple zero, 1.35 500, you can say, can give us some more profits, and that will be a very ideal chance to re-enter from a good place. Stop loss right here, and then we look to the top side, or market will definitely complete this. That will be a very rare situation, so I will keep you updated about that particular plan. Moving on to the euro US dollar, and last week what I have told you, 1.10195 was the level for a sell. Even last week I have discussed it, and those of you who took it, definitely I'm out of, from most of my members are the weekly traders are out of the trades, and for very long term, let's see, I want to see the dollar index, that what it's going to do. But this is at this trend line, and the things will be simple till now. So far what I have discussed is that if it bounces off from here, just like it did, we took a sell trade, we made profit. Now what's next? Market took a bounce from here, but it could not enter right here, so fresh entries are towards 1.06773. And remember, this story we have picked from here, 618 trade, then breakout retest trade, right? So this is a breakout retest trade, and the continuation where we took profits, we took sells in the group. All of these images I have shared, and then that was another ABCD pattern right here. The correction, we took this one, now is here and is going to come back down till 1.06773, from where it is going to approach 1.15. But obviously upon some confirmations, and on the confirmations I have separate videos, this makes very nice sense. We have a very nice and valid head and shoulder pattern, this can become the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and that's going to be the head. But if it continue back up, definitely that will be the A, B, C, and the D. If it seems tricky to you, I will highly recommend you to join my course, so that I can teach you publicly. I cannot upload my strategy in a very detailed form, because obviously these are some copyright issues. So this is the euro dollar, and I think I have received some questions about it. If I sum up, definitely 1.06773 long term, I'm looking for some buying opportunities right here, and some selling opportunities from up there. And obviously if I get some clues, I will be looking to the top side. But I am, this week I'm biased a little bit towards the downside, but since I'm biased, so I have to see the H4, and this is how on the H4 my charts usually looks like. Well, for fresh entries you can just pick Fibonacci. I'm quickly doing it, then I will be deleting it from the present place, present price 1.10410. This is trade of the week. If we missed it, that's something else. Otherwise we are going to take I'm going to take it right from here. Now let's delete this. 1.10377, and obviously this trade went very nicely. And also congratulations, most of the members, I know you are watching me, so congratulations for the profits. Try to go very very slow, right? Very slow, but in terms of long term profits, the profits should be enough so that you say, okay, the services that I get from up top, they work very nicely. So you should follow what I say, follow the instructions very carefully. And those who followed all of the instructions very carefully are now today making good profits, and they are enjoying their lives, and even they have forgotten me. I'm just kidding. Anyways, so this is euro dollar. It is very simple, everyone. Okay, this very very simple. This whole forex things, like, it works on a breakout retest, breakout retest pullback, breakout retest pullback, breakout retest pullback, A B C D, Fibonacci 618, RSI a little bit. Simple, very simple. Said he, I'm not sure why everyone isn't making it, right? So no buy trades at the moment, and obviously sell trades. Moving on to the pound dollar. On the pound dollar, I'm also holding sell opinion. The long term this is, so at time it was giving me good profits, but now it is again right here. So I made enough profits from the pound dollar. Even the group members also made good profits from pound dollar. So I think I will wait one more day. It's okay, I will wait for this resistance, and if I see any close above this, then I may not be holding this position. I will be manually closing it, or in other words, if I say reduce your stop till 1.2902, still that will be fine. Ideally it should be 1.30, above 1.30. so I'm looking towards 1.23363, but as I said, it depends a lot on the dollar index as well. Since if you see this pound dollar thing, there is one Fibonacci pending, 618, which is 1.23363 right here, and that will be deciding whether we need to take profits right here or we need to leave the market. So same is the case right here for the buy opportunities. I'm not yet interested in the buy. I will rather prefer my stop loss to be hit in this particular situation. Otherwise the completion, obviously there are two levels, 1.33815. I am just pronouncing these and I am highlighting it on the screen so that most of you can see and decide what you need to do. These are my plans with the members. So these are the levels. If these levels are completed, I will be stopped out, and these will be completed, I will not be able to do anything. And I have a lot of other things, burdens regarding this forex thing, so I don't think so I will be able to catch that. But there I will be looking for sell opportunities, buy opportunities right here, and if I get a chance, definitely this is a decision point for me. It will be helping me decide which way I want to trade. Crude oil, right here, last week as I gave you this trade opportunity, and it is in front of us. This is, everyone remember, the part of my strategy, and any instrument that is trying to change its direction when it is coming down 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 down, what it is going to do is it will go a pullback. We traded it right here. The actual place is 78. Last week I said it's dropping. We made profits on this dropping market. Not me, but the members, obviously those who wanted to trade. And from here I'm again long. So this is, if I complete it, this is a very clean ABCD pattern. And those who are thinking crude oil is going to drop, well, I think let's see 78.01 in the upcoming week, and there we will decide what it is going to do next, or what it's going to give us next, right? So this is the weekly forex forecast. I hope you will like it. You will apply these techniques, and if you have any questions, again, I'm displaying my WhatsApp number. You can just contact me and I will guide you about my courses. Remember, this strategy I have developed in, it took me a lot of effort and a lot of struggle, right? So take care of yourself. Looking forward to hear from you on this WhatsApp number. Till next week, take a lot of care of yourself. Goodbye.